I'm Damon from Joie. I'm going to show you today how to build your Joie Multiply. So to start off with, of course, take it all out of the box, getting all your parts laid out so you're ready to go. And the best part to start with is the structure of the frame itself. So if we pop this up here, what we can do is just turn it to the side to make life easier popping the legs on. And to start off with, the wheels go at the front, so we can slide that together there, so that will click into place, lock securely in position there. And we can drop the rear legs straight into position as well. And we've done the first stage. Press these buttons here at the sides and that will open the frame itself up. So open that frame up. Front support here, we can just slide into position like so. So just push that, get that into place there. And then the little footrest, you can see, has got a slight curved angle, and that will allow us to place it in one of the 3 different positions dependent on the size of the child that we're using it for. So that's the structure all done and dusted. With regards to the seat itself, first of all we have to drop the backrest onto the seat and also drop the liner in. So start off with by popping the liner in place, so we can start by putting the shoulder straps through the liner, so drop those into position, like so. Now this can be used from approximately 6 months, so it's when the child's sitting up. So depending on the child's size, one little tip that we can use is if the harness is still a bit too small on the child's shoulders, we can actually take this strap and feed it back through the upper harness hole, so we can just slide that through there, which will of course reduce the length of the harness available, so make it even more suitable for a really small child. But as I say, when the child's sitting up is when it's designed to be started to use. And the next stage is, don't clip the backrest on first. Get the waist strap into position through the structure of the backrest. So we just take that and twist that through. As we take that through, then we can pop that through the fabric. So we can pull that through the fabric, as you can see, and of course through the liner itself then, like so. So we've got one side completely done. We can do the other side and try to ensure that we're not twisting it. We can just again pop that through the structure and then feed that through the fabric. So we can get that through and through the liner quite easily, like so. So once we've got the waist straps on, what we're then looking to do is get the backrest into place, and to do that we must squeeze this lever at the centre here. So we have to squeeze that. If we don't squeeze that, as we push it down into place, it will not lock in properly down at the bottom here. So we're squeezing that lever, we can push it down like so and lock that into place. That will give us then the 3 different recline positions. If it's not locking into one of the positions, we'll find we just haven't simply locked one of the sides on. If we need to take it back off again, the best way is to drop it into recline, so then we can squeeze the lever at the top with my right hand and open that up, slightly pulling it out, to then release the opposite side to remove it off. So quite easy, but so keep that lever squeezed, push it down firmly and check that it locks into all the 3 different positions. Once we've done that bit then, we've got a press stud on each side, so we can just simply drop those into position very quickly. On the underside we've got the crotch strap, so we just need to pop the crotch strap through the seat fabric. And then down at the front here, we've got 2 little plastic clips that will simply go over the edge of the frame. And then 2 pieces of elastic that will drop around near the screw area, like so. So there's just a little screw just there. That will pop into place, like so. And that's the main structure of the seat unit completed. That will pop straight into position on the seat. And of course, we can now connect all the harness sections up. So there is a little gap at the top of the waist bit that will allow the shoulder strap to clip in, to clip together. That's the harness done. And then the tray comes built, so it's ready to go, but it does have an extra top section that can be removed, so there's just some little clips at the back end of it that will allow us to remove the top tray for cleaning purposes, etc. The tray also can be stored on the back of the frame, so there is a little cutout on the tray that will allow that to clip and secure securely on the back of the framework. But to use it on the high chair itself, we've got two methods to install it. So we've got one lever at the front or two levers at the side. So we can of course just press that one there, put it onto the unit itself and ensure again that it's securely clipped in. We have got three different tray positions that we can use the product in. Removing again, we can use the sides or the front to remove it off. So that's how to build your Joie Multiply.